Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add money to your Wise account. And right now we are here in our Wise Home tab. And first of all, you need to create an account by yourself. It's quite simple. I created also a video where I explained you how to do that. And then after that, you will see the screen right here. What we're going to do from here is we select right here, add money, and then it will send us right here to this page. Then we fill in right here how much money we want to add. So I'm doing right now 100 euros. We can also change right here, if you will do that, the currency, because if you select now right here, change, you can change the currency from here. And if you go right here to this option, you can change right here, the currency for your account if you want to do that immediately. You can change right here how you want to pay. So if you click on change, you can decide if you want to pay with Ideal, bank transfer, credit card or debit card. So choose for yourself what you want to do. And then you see right here that you need to pay 60 euro cents for fees. And then we click right here on continue. So then after this, you will get here the option to do your payment. So complete the following steps. And then after that, you finish your add money process. And then you can use Wise. I didn't verify my account, so I'm stuck right here on this option. But the option after this is not that difficult. So this is how you can add money to your Wise account. Hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.